Hey folks, today we're going to do a video here on the eastern king snake. This is a very common snake here in Georgia, and this was found on the Panola property. And this little guy can get pretty big, 3 to 4 feet. They're shiny, solid black mostly, except for the stripe that you see on it. It's a smooth scale snake. It has those white or yellow looking chain link looking bands that cross the back and they connect along the sides. And because of that pattern, sometimes the species is referred to as a chain king snake. Generally the kings from the eastern coastal plain, however, have wider bands, whereas this one, the bands are fairly narrow. So especially in the mountains, the bands may completely disappear and the snake can look completely black. Abby, see if you can get down on his head so we can see it. The head on that king snake is a short, stout head. It's got small, beady eyes. They have one of the largest geographic distribution ranges of all North American snake species, and their coloration and their patterns can vary depending on where they are. They're found throughout the eastern United States, all the way up to north toward New Jersey. They're in all areas of Georgia and South Carolina. Eastern king is going to thrive in just about any kind of habitat: hardwood, pine forests, bottomlands, swamps, tidal wetlands, even farmlands and suburban areas. The species is mostly land-based, but they also hang out close to the stream banks and the swamp borders, so you can see them just about anywhere. They're secretive snakes. You're likely not going to walk up on one. They kind of hang out under boards or logs or other objects where they can find cover. In our region, here in the southeast, king snakes are almost exclusively active during the day, mostly in the morning during the summer. They're strong constrictors. They eat their food by squeezing it. Lizards, other snakes, rodents, birds, especially eggs like turtle eggs. The cool thing about eastern king snake also is very unusual, and one of the few. That's kind of cool. He's kind of checking out that little dandelion seed there.
A feather thing.
But they're resistant to the venom of other pit vipers, and so they'll eat a copperhead, a cottonmouth, and rattlesnakes. So that makes them a very beneficial snake. If you walk up on one in the wild, it will rattle its tail. They're going to release musk like most wild snakes do. Meaning if you try to touch them, they release that musky, smelly odor stuff, sort of as a defense because it's really nasty and sort of sticky. They may bite you when you first capture them, but they don't really have teeth, so it's not going to hurt. They're easy to tame, and because of that, people keep them as, that's a good shot there, Abby. Very good. People keep them as pets because they're easy to tame. King snakes, they mate in the spring. The females lay a cluster 3 up to 30 eggs under like rotten logs or under any kind of debris. They lay those eggs in early summer, and the eggs hatch out in August or September. Now, back up, Abby, and see what it looks like there. See, he's in a little bit higher grass there. Let me have it. I'm going to let you pick it up in a minute. See, now that's him in a little bit taller grass. If you walk up on him, that may be what it's going to look like. Go ahead and pick him up before he goes through the fence, honey. This is Abigail holding her king snake. Hold it right there. I'm going to get a picture of that underbelly. There you go. Let's walk over and put him in the weeds. Hold it right there a minute. Okay, what we've done is brought the king snake over to a little bit higher weed so you can tell how easily the thing blends. So if you walk up on it, you might not see it at all if it's in kind of high weeds. Also, the king snake, eastern king snake, is not a protected species at all. It gets no federal, state, or heritage ranking. It's fairly common. And here, we're getting where you just about can't see him at all. You see how, we'll back off a little bit, you see how well that's blended? Abby, see if you can walk over there and get him to move a little bit, and I'm going to see what it looks like in this view. Okay, Abby, go ahead and pick him up, and we'll sign off with a good close-up view of him. Good job. Okay, say hey.
Hey.
Hold her right there.
Can't keep him still.
Okay. Eastern king snake.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for the show. Thanks. Oh, that's so much. No, you don't mess with him.
Don't do that. Let him eat, man.
There's no way he's starting to. It's already going down his throat. There's no way he's going to put that entire thing in his mouth. Just wait till you take this.
It's fascinating and disturbing at the same time.
Dude, he's trying to swallow the feathers. No credit, man.
It's not going to do that fast.
Yeah, I know that we've had like friend snakes that have been back behind those stones for a while.
Yeah, it looks like a snake hole right there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
He's not going back in after eating that.
Really, dude, backing up into the rock, that's your strategy?
Dude, poke out of the side, man. Look at that. The beak's going to, like, you know...
It was amazing how much body control they have. Yeah.
She's going to come out here and be like, what's going on, guys?
She will scream.
Yeah, if she was really listening, she would notice that she did not get the car yet.
The kid, she's probably doing with the kids, so.
How is that going to fit in his body?
Yeah, the bird's already in there.
Really? They can press down that much?
He's got most of the wing in. Yeah, but he doesn't have the core. The
No,
body
he doesn't, does he?
He's got the head.
God,
Head doesn't
wow.
have the wing. Does he have the wing?
I don't know, man. He's going for it, though. Dude, don't mess with him, man.
I'm not gonna touch him. Calm down. I might grab him and throw him at you, but
Yeah.
It's a lot easier if you had arms. Guys, this isn't a freak show. Kind of.
yeah, just don't see it happen. I'm sorry.
It's gonna hurt, right?
Oh. Just gonna hug it.
Yep.
He's gonna compress it.
Just squeeze it to. Yeah.
Stay inside. You're not gonna like. Not gonna like it.
Is it a reptile? What?
Yes.
Come inside. Come inside. No, it's not.
I'll text you a picture of it.
I'll post a video later.
Enough to consume a pigeon?
Is it what?
It's consuming a pigeon?
Oh.
I'll text you.
It's not that big. It's a dove, not a pigeon.
Okay, done.
Anna says I have to close the door.
Okay, you opened it.
How big is
Dude, like its beak is sticking out almost.
What, in diameter and length?
How in the world is he fitting that all in?
Length is probably, what, 3 feet?
Yeah.
Maybe.
3
Maybe.
foot? And diameter is,
No way. Really?
yeah, it's black snake. I just sent you a picture.
Okay.
You want me to come bring it up there and show it to you?
Should we cut the bird up for him? If this snake explodes because there's a bird inside of it and I have to clean up dead snake, I'm gonna be mad. But also morbidly interested. Well, see, that's the thing is Gina will go, "Oh my gosh, snake, kill it," and it's like, honey, this is a good kind to have around. They're not gonna bother you.
He's just doing what he needs to do.
Well, he's still a heck of a lot smaller than one we had in our yard.
yeah.
A month ago.
Mm-hmm.
Normally, he probably just eats mice.
You just lucked out this time. He got himself a bird.
That's so freaky with it sticking out the side of him.
Anna's crying.
I don't know.
Because there's a snake.
Dude, man. Look at that thing.
Yeah, he's trying to compress it,
Just
isn't
bring
he?
her out for a biology lesson.
Oh, man. Oh, shaky. She's not going to open the door now. Dude, he got it all in there now? Dude,
Almost.
Just about.
he's like quadrupled in size. Diameter, look at that thing, man.
Don't prefer snakes. It's fascinating.
Thanks for spotting this thing, man. This made my night. See, she's not even opening the door. She's locked the door. Is he gonna make it? You think he's gonna do it?
Oh, yeah.
Too bad Oliver's not here, man. Look at that thing.
At least he keeps constricting, trying to break the bones.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, compressing it down.
Get him in his mouth.
Oh, look at his neck muscles contracting.
Oh, man.
Too bad Oliver and I both actually thought
Yeah.
he was fascinated by it.
Yeah.
If my phone doesn't die.
I know, I'm worried you might have a smoke the video with.
We'll see. Dude. He's probably taking a break. Man, that's hard work.
Look how big his mouth is.
Oh man, look at his muscles, like just kind of shift up on it.
He's almost about strangling himself.
Man, how can they breathe,
I
man?
read that their nostrils go like down their back, like over the top of their head and down their back, so they can breathe like this.
Wow. They have nostrils, yeah, they have nostrils,
Yeah.
man. So they're not breathing in the mouth.
Yeah.
Seriously, wish I had my GoPro right now.
I don't know.
That'd been so awesome.
Because then you could have gotten him close in on the action.
I just drop it up right next to him, let him just go to town.
Yeah, because at this point, I don't think you could buy Jay. He's got too much
Mhm.
smell.
Well, I wouldn't want to disturb him though, because he'd probably upchuck it back if he couldn't, if he felt threatened.
And when he does get down, that was the point at which I don't care to stand here anymore.
Dude, man,
He'll be so lethargic.
I want to see him like try and slither away,
Yeah. He
Like
has to roll away.
like a big old knot in the middle of him.
Try to fit back in that hole in the rocks.
Probably
Get
flip.
stuck.
Wonder if he's going to do it. He's going to make it. He looks like he's going to make
Yeah,
it.
he's
Man.
gonna make it.
Has he got the thighs yet, or is he still working on the main body?
No, I think he's about at the fattest part though.
That's awesome. Dude, interesting when the legs are sticking out of his mouth.
Mm-hmm.
See it at this point.
I'm going to have to. What did Bob do? What are the neighbors thinking right now?
Like, what are these fools standing in the front yard doing?
Dude, he's making it, man. He's going for it. I wonder how long this will last him. When he's going to eat next.
A month probably.
Nah, not that long,
I
man.
bet so.
Nah, 2 weeks tops.
No, that's not enough.
Aaron saw the picture and said, "Man, it's gonna eat you." And she started falling.
He's eating the feet right now.
Really? He's got the whole thing?
The whole thing.
He's got it, man. He did it. Now he's got a burp.
I didn't want to tell. What kind of snake
There's
is
his
it?
tail. There's his tongue.
Yeah.
He's got to get his jaw back in line.
Mm-hmm.
Gosh, he's done.
It's not gonna eat for another month.
That's incredible.
So you saw it fall out of the tree?
Yeah, I heard it at first, and then I saw it.
I did
fall
see
out
some
of the tree.
movement.
On swallow.
He's a
It's
beaut.
crazy how much it's stretched out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, his jaw looks all messed up.
Yeah, he's probably like trying to like get his jaw back in order.
Now he just wants to go to sleep.
And I was like, all right, now how do I get back in there?
My guess is that's where he's probably living.
Still has a feather
I've
sticking
seen
out of his
worms.
mouth.
Uh-huh.
Which I don't care, they just eat worms.
Yeah.
His neck skin looks all stretched out.
Still have like feathers hanging out of his mouth.
Yeah.
He's coming for you, Josh.
Why are you looking at me like
He is coming for you.
It's like my
It's
next
like bird
meal.
wasn't- Yeah, bird was not enough of a challenge.
That was the appetizer, Josh. He's coming for you next.
I put my thumb in. Josh, interesting texture.
Look how far it's gone down his body, man. He's already pushed it down like right a quarter of the way from his body, man.
So what's your plan now, dog?
Get away from you guys.
Yeah. Go chill somewhere.
He's gonna go back in the house.
Can't bend.
The other thing that's amazing is think about how big that bird was.
He compressed him
And he
down.
compressed him down that much.
They're strong.
They are.
We'll see how, like, you see his patterns and his markings that you don't really
Yeah.
notice until he's stretched
That's
out.
true. Because they just
Mhm.
look black otherwise. You're right. There's some.
That is his hole, isn't it?
Maybe.
He's not fit back. He's going back up with the second bird.
You going for daddy now? You can't eat another bird now. You couldn't even catch it, probably. Oh, that weight.
Well, let's hope
He
that
probably
was
couldn't climb the tree like
maybe daddy and there's not babies up there.
I
Yeah.
don't hear anything, yeah. I guess they could be quiet. He'd probably eat eggs, too.
Well, yeah, he might have taken care of babies already.
Yeah, maybe.
Wow.
You pudgy little bastard.
He's never learned.
Yeah.
Look at that guy.
He's a good sized snake. Yeah, he was hard to tell when he all curled up, but now he's stretched out.
Pick him up?
Don't mess with him, man. He's going back up.
Seriously?
He's going to climb the tree. He can't climb the
that
tree.
was
Not with
good.
that weight.
Oh, but he can.
No. He's
Okay,
going
so
for it, too.
interesting
Look
that
at
they
that,
can
man.
climb trees to start with.
He is going up the tree.
They grip.
What in the
What is he
world?
gripping onto?
That's what I want to know.
Dude. That is freaking amazing. Dude.
Did you get it? Oh, it's right up in the tree. Cool. How y'all doing? Oh, really? And then drag him back down there, squeeze him, and eat him, and going back up the tree now. Cool. Hungry. You see him up there? Yeah.
I see where.
Black rat snake.
He's going for another bird. Is he going for another bird?
He's already done. It's like halfway down now.
Oh, you're watching it go.
Yeah, he ate the whole thing.
Yeah. It was fascinating.
Where is he going, man?
Well, you see him?
Oh, yeah.
Just another day at the Callaway house.
tell you what, where'd he go? Get it out of that nest right there?
Where is he at now?
There's one there in the air nest right there. How about that? Look at the bulge in him, Al. You see it?
Oh, he's just chilling now. He's got himself.
It's just hiding.
He's not really hiding much, man. He's right there just chilling.
See that? Just fell out of a tree.
The snake had it. How about that? He's gonna get up there where he
You're gonna break those limbs. It's gonna fall back out.
I was saying, you might want to be careful where you're standing. You might get an unwelcome surprise.
Just stand right underneath of him. Dude. He climbed up the tree with that bird in his belly. He's wobbling up the tree.
The old system. I feel like the
Yeah, yeah. I thought it was only going one way on that, but it sounds like it's two ways.
Oh, no. It's normally that way. It's not
He's going for another bird, I guess.
Where's the nest?
Is there a nest?
I don't see a nest out
The
there.
nest was in the middle.
Yeah, so it's not a mess, man. He's just going up and just chilling out. And
Maybe just
he's gonna go take a nap.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna let it go.
Yeah, I think you're done.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to download that off your phone.
Oh.